How to recover Wiki account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up your Wiki application and then it will lead you to the home page of the application. Now to sign in, tap on your phone number or your email. Make sure to add your country code when you type your phone number. Next, you can tap on forgot your password. That will lead you to restore your account. So just tap on forgot your password. After that, wait for a while it loads. Then what we're going to do is we're going to enter our phone number or the email that we've associated with the account. Then select and continue. And after selecting and continue, what we're going to do is we're going to get the code via SMS or via phone call. You can choose the option. Here I've chosen the option of send SMS. So I'm just going to wait for the SMS to get received. So here is the code for me. I'm just going to type that in. Now let's type and tap on send. Then select on your phone number or email and select and continue. And now make sure that it is your account. So select on yes, this is my account. And there you go. You can create a new password and restore your Wiki account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.